Welcome to the NView Libraries tutorial for MRM-4740. I'll assume you viewed the Using the Website tutorial by now, so you know the basics on navigation. That knowledge will be helpful as you begin your research. This tutorial will focus on the basic elements of acquiring and evaluating your research materials. Let's get started with the context in which information is presented. As you do your research, you will find information in a number of contexts, including books, scholarly journals, newspapers, websites, both personal and organizational, blogs, documentary film and other media, reports, and from experts. Books provide an extensive amount of information on a topic and will be useful for providing context for the highly specific research articles found in scholarly journals. Scholarly journals usually contain peer-reviewed articles reporting original research. These articles are a little bit more difficult to obtain through a standard Google search, so it's best to start at the library website when doing a search for these items. Articles from newspapers, personal websites, and/or blogs, and industry or professional publications will also turn up during the research process. It's important to know that these items are not considered scholarly and they do not report original research. Furthermore, they do not go through an editorial process as rigorous as the process through which academic books and articles in scholarly journals go through. They are, however, useful sources for background and context. You may also encounter documentary films. Though educational in nature, they are not reporting original research, but they are useful sources of information. They can also guide you toward more substantial sources, and they are entertaining. Government agencies and industry groups often produce reports. It's important to recognize the source, however. Government and industry reports may be intended for different audiences and serve different purposes. One important question to consider about the agency producing the report is whether profit or growth could have been a motivating factor. Lastly, you may encounter a particular expert's name on various occasions throughout the research process and decide to reach out to that person. Interviewing experts is a time-tested method of collecting information when working on an original research study. Now that we've seen some of the sources you'll encounter, let's look at where you'll find them. As noted in the Using the Website tutorial, the best places to get started on searching from the library website include the Find menu, the main search box, and the database's A to Z page. Pages listed in the Find menu have useful information on not only how to find particular sources, but also where to find them. For example, if you know you want more information on article databases, just select the link to that page. And if you want general information on all source types, I suggest visiting the Getting Started page. You'll remember from the Using the Website tutorial that the main search box is tabbed and that each tab performs a different function. Search North searches nearly all of the library's resources. This is a great way to survey the landscape if you are just getting started. Search VSC Libraries searches the print and ebook collections for all of the Vermont State College's libraries. Find Journals searches all of NView Library's print and e-journal collections. Remember, it's best to use the title of a journal or magazine, such as Journal of Experiential Education, when using Find Journals. Search Other Libraries allows you to find and borrow items, mostly books, but others included, from other libraries throughout North America and beyond. Lastly, the database's A to Z page, the link to which can be found in the Quick Links box on the library's homepage, contains a nearly complete list of all of the journal and article databases, streaming video platforms, multi-resource platforms, and more. We have organized the databases on this page by subject for quick navigation. We hope this has helped, and stay tuned for part 2 on evaluating your resources.